What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 to your computer. So how do you do that? All you have to do guys is just simple head over to youtube.com, ensure that you sign into your account, and once you do, click the profile icon on the upper right hand side and go into your YouTube studio. Now this is if you have a YouTube channel, so it's very important to know that you have to have a YouTube channel so that you can access the YouTube studio. Now, once you're inside the YouTube studio, guys, just scroll down, and on the left hand side, you will find the audio library. So you can simply click on that, and from here, you'll be able to find a ton of different free, royalty-free musics that you can download and use in your YouTube videos. Now, as you can see here at the top, there's different tabs. You have music, you have sound effects, and you have starred. Starred are the ones that you will put in your favorites, and I'm going to walk you through each of these steps. Now, to understand how this works, you just want to go ahead and either scroll through to explore, and if you find a song that you think that you may like, you can use the play icon to listen it, or you can click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And this is what the start section is for. So once you add it there, you'll be able to find those music in the start section. So let me just go ahead and refresh that page there so that you can see that the song is now there, right? And if I click on the start section here, you will see that the song is now under the start section. Now, under the sound effects section, you can find multiple different sound effects from here. And you can also filter it by searching for whatever you want. So if you want something specific, you can use a search and type that in. So if I need a car sound, I can type in car and I can hit enter, and it's going to find car sounds that I can listen to. Now the same goes for music. If you want to look for something specific, you can search for it and you can look for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just search, for example, I want this excess. I can use the search at the top here, and I can type in the word excess and hit enter, and you see that it's searched for any song with the name excess. And you can go ahead and you can play the song and you can download it. The next thing that you want to know is that you can filter even more. So all you have to do is just simply click the filter icon on the left hand side, and you will have a drop down here that you can search. So you can search by title, you can search by genre, you can search by the mood, artist name, duration, and so forth, right? So you can also go through each of them and search for whatever you want. So depending on whichever option you choose, you may get more options available. So in terms of genre and mood, if you click on that, you see that there's more option, and you can click these boxes to ensure that you get what you're looking for. Now, once you find something that you like, guys, all you have to do is simply go ahead and look towards the right hand side, and you will find a download icon or a download button. It's under the section where it says added. So once you hover over the added tab or the added column, you will see download button up here, right? You will see that the date changes to a download button, and all you have to do is just simply click and download. Once you do that, the music will be downloaded onto your computer as an MP3. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if I go to my download folder, you will see that I have that song here, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.